indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color with these ratings. You are going to love the 2016 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.